Good morning students, myself Mridula, and I hope you all are well and taking good care of yourself. Yes students, we have already discussed with our chapter changing profit sharing ratio. And the first two topics we have discussed, that is how to calculate gain and sacrifice, and the second topic was calculation of methods of admission of goodwill, in which we have discussed average profit method, super profit method and capitalization method. Today, our next method is regarding the treatment of goodwill. That is, whenever the partners they change their ratio, then what will be the effect on the goodwill? As we already know that whenever the partners change their ratio, then one partner is gaining and another one. Suppose two partners are there, so another one is sacrificing. So it means in the share of goodwill also, the sacrificing partner is having their less share. So that is why the gaining partner is going to compensate the sacrificing partner. So I have taken one question, hardly 3 questions are there. So I have taken one question, how to do the treatment of goodwill whenever the partners change their ratio. This is question number 23rd that I have taken, in which 3 partners are there, ABC, and their old ratio is 732 and they have changed their ratio and the new ratio has become now 843. And in this question, goodwill is given that goodwill is equal to average of 3 years profit प्रीसीडिंग द डेट ऑफ चेंज इन रेशियो. प्रीसीडिंग द डेट ऑफ चेंज इन रेशियो का मतलब क्या है, हमें ऑलरेडी 4 इयर्स के प्रॉफिट गिवन है, जिस दिन से चेंज हुए वहां से हमने 3 इयर्स लिए. तो इट मीन्स जब मैंने पीछे से 3 इयर्स लिए तो यानी सिर्फ ये 3 साल का मुझे एवरेज कैलकुलेट करना है एंड दैट विल बी द अमाउंट ऑफ गुडविल. तो अब हमें क्वेश्चन में एक एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री पास करनी है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर क्वेश्चन. फर्स्टली विल कैलकुलेट द चेंज इन रेशियो. Change in ratio, the formula is old minus new ratio. This is the old ratio and the new ratio, change in age ratio. Old 7 upon 12 minus 8 upon 15. Minus 3 by 60. Change in B's ratio, that is old 7 by 12, 3 by 12 minus 4 by 15, 60. This is minus 1 by 60. And change in C's ratio, this will equal to 2 by 12 minus 3 by 15. It comes to minus 2 by 60. So how to calculate or how to check whether the partner is gaining or sacrificing? I have told you कि don't cram के minus में आता है तो वो gaining होता है. Just check ये old share था, ये new है. Share कम हो गया तो it means this is sacrificing. Here old और new. बढ़ गया share तो this is gaining and this one is also gaining. क्योंकि gain और sacrifice हमेशा equal आता है. अब हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया. नाउ द गेनिंग पार्टनर इज गोइंग टू कंपेंसेट द सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर. तो व्हाट विल बी द जनरल एंट्री, एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री दैट विल पास हियर. 2 पार्टनर्स आर गेनिंग, तो विल पास द एंट्री बी इज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, सी इज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू ए इज कैपिटल अकाउंट. ओके, नाउ फर्स्टली वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द अमाउंट ऑफ गुडविल आल्सो. अब गुडविल के कैलकुलेट करने के लिए एवरेज ऑफ आर 3 इयर्स प्रॉफिट, इन तीनों का मैंने एवरेज लिया. एवरेज प्रॉफिट 48,000 प्लस 60,000 प्लस 90,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. 1,98,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, 66,000. सो गुडविल इज 66,000. अब गुडविल को इसी में हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. 3 by 60, 66,000 का 3 by 60, 3,300. ये हमारे पास आ गया ए का 3,300 एंड हेयर बी का है यहाँ पे चेंज 6600 का, ये मेरे पास आ गया 160. 66,000 चाहिए. 1100 B and here 2200. being adjustment entry past. So this is our way. So this is our way to calculate our adjustment entry in case of change in profit sharing ratio. What will be the treatment of goodwill? Hardly 2 questions are there. You are going to solve those questions. In the next video, we will discuss about what will be the effect on the reserves and accumulated profit whenever the partners change their ratio. I hope this topic is clear to you. It's quite easy. Thank you. Have a nice day.